The logarithmic function that we are going to graph today is going to be y is equal to log base 4 x. The first thing we're going to go ahead and do is change it to exponential function. Okay. In order to do that, we would just rewrite it. Y is equal to log base 4 x. Our next step is to cross out log, bring our 4 down, and switch these two. So it'll be 4y is equal to x. As you may notice, we are now equaling it to x, not to y. And for that, our next step would be finding our VA. Once again, our VA is anything that is being added or subtracted to, in this case, ny or yn. Since there is nothing being subtracted or added, our VA is automatically a 0. Now that we know our VA, we go ahead and graph our VA. 0, so that would be straight on our y-axis. It would be found on your x-axis and plotted vertically. Okay, now that we plotted our VA, our next step is our table. It should be x, y. And the same numbers would be 2. The ones we are going to be using are -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. As you noticed, now they're not on the x side, they're on the y side, simply because now we are going to place these numbers. We're going to place these numbers where the y is. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. 4 -2 is equal to x. 4 -1 is equal to x. 4 0 is equal to x. 4 1 is equal to x, and 4 2 is equal to x. 4 to the power of -2 1/16. You could go ahead and plug this into the calculator. And it should give you 0.0625. Okay. 4 to the power of 0. Anything to the power of 0 is 1. 4 to the power of 1 is 4. 4 to the power of 2 is 16. Now that we got our x's, we're going to go ahead and plot them onto the graph. So the first thing is, we're going to go to the x-axis, go to 0.0625, this would be our 1, our 2, our 3, our 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we're going to go to our x-axis, go to 0.0625, and go -2. 1, 2. Next one would be 0.25, and go -1. 1, 0. Let's go to our x-axis, go to 1, 0. Next one would be 4, 1. So go to our x-axis, go to 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, go to 1. Next one would be 2, 16, 2. Let's say 6, 7. 16, 2. Now that we got our points, we're going to go ahead and plot them. Connect them. Once again, our lines and the dots we plotted will not pass our VA, just like in the HA. And that's how you will graph exponential and logarithmic functions. Once again, my name is Rosie Sanchez. I'm an SI tutor, and I am sponsored by the Office of Student Success.